Hey, and welcome to day 6 of my 30-day challenge to make $10,000 on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon KDP, whatever you want to call it. If it's your first time here, welcome. And if you are a regular member or subscriber, thank you for tuning in to day 6. So, I finally got one of my journals released. I uploaded it. I'm very excited about it. I'm waiting for the other one to be approved. For some reason it's saying quality issue dashboard, but I checked there's nothing there, so I don't know. So today we're going to see how we did in the reports. And we hit $6, okay? We're getting somewhere. We got 2 orders, which is pretty good. So let's see on the royalty estimator, $37. We're far away from $10,000, but we're getting there, you know? Slow and steady wins the race. No pressure, no pressure. So let's go over to our ads and let's see how our ads are doing. Alright, so it looks like we got a bit of movement, some traction on the ads, not bad. They're not charging me, so I guess that's good. So people are seeing the products, just no one's purchasing or clicking the links. Let's move over to the Canadian side. Let's see how this is doing. Don't mind the background noise. My son decided to.
Dad.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, he's bothering him.
Yeah. Alright, so from here, still no impressions. So, I forgot to do things. So we're going to increase our budget once again. Let's see if that makes a difference now. Alright, so we're going to increase the budget for this one. Group settings, we're going to go to 23 cents now. Alright, so that one's done. Alright. So 8 impressions on this one. Let's change the group settings. So let's go to 17 cents on this one. Hopefully we start seeing some traction soon. Tomorrow makes our 1 week mark. So let's see the credit book one more time. Yeah, so the credit book has no impression. So the kids book has impression going out the credit book. So let's move back over to the US. And let's change these. Campaign settings, 17 cents. Let's update these. So while I do this, so we did get some impressions, 4 impressions on this one. It's no cost, but okay. Yeah, so I've been learning about keywords and some very helpful tips I've been finding. So with the keywords, some tips for you guys is when creating your books, start with the keywords as to what you're going to use. That was 21, let's go to 24. Start with the keywords before you decide to publish a book. Use that to help with your title, your subtitles, and also your description, so that it's more searchable when it's in Amazon, on the Amazon site. With the keyword research, you want to start with the keyword research first before jumping into creating a book and a cover and whatever is going to be in the book. Reason being is you don't want to choose a topic or niche that nobody's really searching for it, right? So it's crucial that you do your keyword research first before doing anything. Once you find the keywords you want to use, then from there you can formulate a title and what you want to put in your book, whether it's low content or high content. So that one, okay, so we changed that one. So let's change this one now. So now we did already. So here, still nothing here. 4 cents. That's done. We got one more. I watched a couple of interviews, some very inspiring videos I watched. Some people, they're not even trying that hard. They've been doing it for a while, but they're barely putting in any effort and they're seeing results. And it's like, imagine if you put like a real action plan behind what it is that you're doing, you'll start to see results. Why am I not seeing this thing? It just says code 2023. And this one here. So the book. Sometimes I forget what I did already. Okay, so that's 24 and that's 24, and the other one should be 17 cents. So I will be adding some more material once I get some more of my low content books. I'll be creating an ad for that as well and throwing this up in the dashboard. So let's see here. Campaign settings. 17. Okay, so everything's pretty much done here. Yeah, so what I'm finding with the research, it all starts with keywords, and then you can, or brainstorming, then finding keywords for those titles, and or finding keywords in Amazon to see what makes sense from what doesn't make sense to do. Yeah, so tomorrow's gonna be my first week, and pretty much we're approaching $40 in royalties. Hopefully we can get it a bit higher, and yeah, just keep going. At the end of the day, this is something that is near and dear to my heart. So I'm going to continue this journey even after the 30 days, but I'm just going to show you what someone can do within 30 days using the Amazon advertising. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow on the next video.